what stood out the most is the employees here. Everybody is very caring, very knowledgeable, but the views from the rooms, gorgeous.
The tour was fantastic. I really appreciate the opportunity to see a whole new facility. We've had this sweet little hospital, and so to see it expand like this with the technology and the upgrades, and it's just fantastic. It couldn't be better.
This is such a added thing to our community. It is unreal, this hospital.
It's amazing for our community. It's amazing for the staff here. And I came today to see because I'm not planning to come visit anytime soon.
We're super excited to be here at the new Inland Valley Hospital. What an upgrade for our community. We're so proud. And
worked here in 98 to 2005. So I've seen a lot of the difference in what's going on here, and this is one of the most beautiful I've ever seen. I think it's going to really be great for patients.
My mom was recently a resident here at the hospital where she spent some time. Obviously, they've done significant upgrades, and it seems like it's going to be an incredible place to recover.